Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Vario W grinder and this Gaggia Classic Espresso Machine. And let's go ahead and grind some coffee. Alright, now we have the coffee in the portafilter. Let's go ahead and pull a shot. So we get a nice shot of espresso with good crema. And then we'll heat it up for steam separately. Okay, now we're going to test the steam. Nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.